Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Ricky Cadan back again with another free Friday stock review just for you guys. And tonight I am going to show you a couple of things that real life traders have been doing. We have had a very profitable week, and I will show you one of the strategies that we are currently in. But we'll talk about that in just a moment. But the SPY guys, what happened last night in the market? So we did come back up into this red box once again and just get rejected. This is a very, very key level, guys. Just keep that in mind. If we do end up gapping above this particular area in the next week or so, we've got a very big gap here to fill on the SPY. So I do expect the SPY after that level does get breached. I'd expect it to, trade higher and most likely start to create some new highs, which would be absolutely fantastic. The E-minis, though, still just pausing at this particular area. Makes a ton of sense. And the volume is slowly starting to drop off here. So for the most part, guys, market is very, very sideways, which means try not to be super directional on your trades. Do a lot of non-directional trades, whether it's covered calls or put sales, yada yada yada. Anyway, SPCE, this is the big one that we did get into. So we did get into a synthetic long, meaning that we sold a put down here at 12.50 for January 2021, about 5 months away, and we bought calls here at $20 for 2021 as well. Now this particular trade was done on this day, just before, just straight after this bullish candle. I did draw this particular line in the afternoon swing trading floor, and I said, guys, it was actually on this little high wave doji candle here that we did have. I did actually draw this line, and I said, well, if we follow this line to a T, I'll be looking to take this trade. And as you can see, guys, I mean, you can't get much more perfect than that. We did get this nice little dip, and then straight after we got this nice little bullish hammer candle, we set up this particular plan. So very, very good, and obviously we are very well in the money. I think we're up a lot on this currently. Very, very profitable trade on SPCE. I do expect us to go higher, guys. Most likely, if we do come up into about 25 or 26, I'll most likely be looking to close out both this trade and this trade for a very nice gain. Netflix, this is going to be the one that you're going to want to watch at open, everybody. The reason being is we are gapping down 7%. I have been mentioning in the trading room as well that, expect a gap down on Netflix. This has just been absolutely parabolic ever since COVID has come along. And I mean, realistically, guys, just have a look at this particular move here. From March, we are up. We went up about 100% since March. I don't think the subscriptions have made an extra, have pretty much doubled the value of the company in the space of 3 months. However, for projections, Netflix definitely will go higher, but this is a very, very bearish gap. It is a gap and go, and a very nice gap and go. The reason being is we have lots of volume, guys, these last 3 days. And this bullish candle here that we had here, both these, well, not both, all 4 of these candles, there's tons of volume here being traded, and we are gapping down to 487, which is actually below the low of this hammer. So pretty much everyone here is losing money. So on the 5-minute, if you are going to be day trading this, guys, let's go to the extended hours. Just keep in mind, if we do start to break down, you've got your lows right here at 460. I could see us coming down to about, let's have a look here. Short-term moving averages, 460. If we get any lower than 460, it's going to be a very nice dip buying opportunity. This is going to be a very key level, just being that it is at the shorter term moving averages. So just keep that in mind, guys. Look for a dip buying opportunity. But guys, if we get any lower, if we come back down to the 100, probably not going to happen tonight. I'm going to buy a boat and probably load it on Netflix. Here's ASX 200. So ASX 200 is just chilling at the red box. Nothing to see here. Not really a whole lot to mention. I have been mentioning in the past, pretty much since this day, that we're going to travel sideways for the next 2 months. And here we are, traveling sideways for the last 2 months. APT, if you are a part of the real life trading group, you would know that on this day I did mention to get into some sort of a zero cost collar position on APT. We are very, very extended here, guys. If once this level gets taken out, I mean, we'll probably start to see a very nice dip buying opportunity for APT, and the 50 would be a very nice level to start looking to accumulate some sort of position on Afterpay. Here's Coles, and Coles is not doing a whole lot, just create new all-time highs every single day for the last 3 days. So Coles looking really, really good. Volume not really there at this point for taking this higher. Whoops. So Coles not really looking a whole lot of bullishness right now, especially as we are coming into these all-time highs and the market is at an indecision. Hence the reason why we've been going sideways for the last 3 days. So at this point, guys, probably look to lock in some gains, take off half. If you are in Coles, just probably look to lock in some gains and mitigate your risk on Coles. Here's crude oil. Crude oil's not doing much, just going completely sideways. Nothing to see here. Buy low, sell high. Gold may have a small short-term pullback if the market does go bullish. 1780, which on the shorter term moving averages is going to be between the 20 and the 50. But if we do come back down to the 50, I mean, no brainer, look to buy. It would be a very nice sensational dip buying opportunity. And the Aussie dollar just slowly but surely grinding on higher, especially with gold going higher as well. The Aussie dollar will end up breaking this high, guys, and we'll probably start to see some 72 or 73 cents. 73 cents, I'd say that we're going to start to pause again and then have a little bit more of a retracement. But if we do have any dips on the Aussie dollar, for all you forex traders out there, if we come back down to about 68.50, it's definitely going to be a nice dip buying opportunity for the Aussie dollar. All right, guys, I'll be back next week for another free real life stock review. If you guys want me to look at anything, review any of your trades, any stocks, tickers, forex futures, whatever it is that you're trading, leave it in the comment section below. And if you guys do want to become a part of real life trading, in a part of our community, hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au, hit the subscribe button. It's only $129 a month. I mean, this is absolutely a bargain price. That trade on SPCE was about 10 times that. So get involved, guys. It's a very, very good investment. Invest in you, invest in your future, and love to see you a part of our community. All right, guys, have a great week, and I'll be back on Monday. I'll be back on Wednesday. All right, guys, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.